morning, students. Today we will discuss preparation, properties and uses of some addition polymers. Preparation, properties and uses of some addition polymer. First, we will take polythene. In polythene, the monomer unit is ethene. Polythene are of two types. First is low density polythene, LDP. It is manufactured by heating ethylene to 350 to 570 Kelvin under a pressure of 1000 to 2000 atmosphere and in the presence of traces of peroxide. We will take N molecules of ethene. It is a monomer unit. Temperature is between 350 to 570 Kelvin. Pressure is 1000 to 2000 atmosphere. And we will use a free radical initiator like organic peroxide. These molecules undergo polymerization and we get low density polythene. This low density polythene is formed by free radical mechanism. This type of polythene obtained have molecular mass about 20,000. This have high branched structure. This type of polymer have high temperature. This type of polymers are called low density polymers. These have moderate tensile strength and high toughness. This type of polymer is chemically inert and slightly flexible. It is a poor conductor of electricity. Uses: this polymer, that is low density polythene, is used for packaging material and insulation for electric wires and cable. It is also used in the manufacture of toys and flexible pipes. Second type of polythene is of high density polythene. In this polymerization, the monomer unit is again ethene. But here temperature is low and pressure is also low, and this type of polymerization occur in a presence of a catalyst called Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Here the temperature is between 335 to 345 Kelvin. Atmosphere pressure is 6 to 7 atmosphere, and we will use Ziegler-Natta as a catalyst. Ziegler-Natta catalyst consists of trimethyl aluminium and titanium trichloride. The formula of Ziegler-Natta catalyst consists of trimethyl aluminium and titanium trichloride. This type of polymers have high density. It is chemically inert but has great toughness, hardness and tensile strength as compared to low density polythene. It is used in the manufacture of containers such as bucket, tube, housewares, pipes, bottle and toys. Next we will take polyvinyl chloride, also called as PVC. In this, monomer unit is vinyl chloride. This is the formula of vinyl chloride. We will take large molecule of vinyl chloride. This undergo polymerization in presence of peroxide and we get polyvinyl chloride. It is also a example of addition polymerization. It is since the only one type of monomer unit is used, so this type of polymer is also called homopolymer. The PVC, it is have high boiling. Polyvinyl chloride is widely used for making raincoat, handbags, shower container and water pipes, etc. Next is polyacrylonitrile. Polyacrylonitrile, short form is PAN. This is also called Orlon. The monomer unit in polyacrylonitrile is vinyl cyanide. The formula of vinyl cyanide is CH2 double bond CHCN. We will take N molecule of vinyl cyanide. This also undergo polymerization and we get polyacrylonitrile. In this, the monomer unit is vinyl cyanide. Large number of vinyl cyanide molecules undergo polymerization and we get vinyl cyanide. We get polyacrylonitrile. It is also a free radical mechanism and we use peroxide as a free radical initiator. Polyacrylonitrile, it is a hard and have high melting material. It is used as a substitute for wool in manufacture of Orlon and making cloth, carpet and blanket. It is also used in the preparation of other polymers to improve their qualities. Next is Teflon. In Teflon, the monomer unit is tetrafluoroethene, CF2 double bond CF2. Large number of molecules of tetrafluoroethene are taken and they undergo polymerization at high pressure. We get Teflon. Teflon is flexible and inert to solvent. Because of its great chemical inertness and high thermal stability, Teflon is used for making non-stick utensils. It is also used for making gaskets, pump, packing, valves, seals and non-lubricated bearing. Next addition polymer, we will take polypropylene. As the name suggests, the monomer unit in this is propene. These molecules undergo polymerization and we get polypropylene. The polypropylene is used in the manufacture of carpet fibers, ropes, stronger pipe, toys and bottles. So student, today we will take the example for the formation of propene are polypropene, Teflon, polythene, polyvinyl chloride. All these are the example of addition polymer. Also they are the example of homopolymer. Thank you.